This is the best experience of Linux I've ever had.
Don't you dare touch my hair. I just came out of bath. But leading that, I was so much in hurry because I just saw this comment referring to this Ryoku desktop. And then I searched. And then I was fascinated with its design. Like maybe this is the most awesome and amazing Linux desktop ever. You don't believe me? You already saw the thumbnail. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get right into it. So yeah, let's begin.
The installation setup was quite easy. Like it was just completely straightforward. It goes directly out of the box. It just asks you some questions. You just have to configure just like any other normal Linux distribution. But it gives you complete profiles out of the box, proper options out of the box. So yeah, in my opinion, the installation process was very minimal and fast. Alright then, so here we are at last, and this is Ryoku OS after installation, and it is really looking beautiful. So let's just build it in, and there it begins. Alright then, so looks like we have a problem. So what we're gonna do is go to display settings, then go here and set it to 1080p. Apply, and it looks quite okay in my opinion. We have quite a lot of options. So, yep, this is it. And it looks quite okay. Let me just apply this as well. And there we are. So this is Ryoku OS. And yep, it is looking gorgeous. Let's first change the wallpaper, right? I would like to see this one maybe. Alright, let's go with this one. Oh no, that's good. That's really amazing. So this is Ryoku OS and it looks really amazing. In the top bar, we have the Ryoku Control Center where you can actually control the whole Hyprland desktop. We can reload the shell, lock, suspend, reboot, shutdown, and we have appearance. And when we go to appearance, we get options to customize the top bar so well. Like really amazing. We can change the behavior of how it's gonna act, how it's gonna look. And to be honest, I prefer it to be like that, but what if it were to be this? No, I like it full. We also have the dock variant like this, but I prefer the full one. Then we can change the accent colors as well. Like if I wanted purple, it would be purple, but red is just gorgeous. Then we have the animations like the stream. We can change it to surge, reactor, quotes, bolts. I believe surge is just, no, stream is just the perfect one. Appearance, logo, our workspaces, and the pickup, everything. And then leaving that, let's check this out. So this is our CPU usage right now at 70 to 80%. Yep. Well, it just loaded and it's a virtual machine, so obviously, but it looks quite beautiful. Then we have our audio volume. Let me just make it do this much. Then here we have our RAM usage and then this animation all the way to this. This is calendar, weather, widgets, time and all. But what's interesting is what's beside this. We have idle lock and we can directly, like we have updates available, we can directly update the system from here. Just click here once, enter the password, enter, and check this out. It's going on in instantly. Now, I'm not gonna update it right now, so no. And then leaving that, we have idle inhabitants. We can take screenshots and all as well. We can change wallpapers, our internet speed connected, our battery life, my laptop's battery life. And then what do we have here? Our storage. It's a virtual disk and believe me like an asterisk. This is literally my best experience with Hyprland ever on Linux. Now, let's explore more to it, right? So first, if you don't know, Windows plus Space will launch this application launcher where you can search the application. For example, if I want to search, let's say, let's go with all, okay? All, and here we are, all the applications. So we get quite a set of applications by default. We have Yasi File Manager. Let me just show you. Launch. Well, let me just first launch Kitty. I'd like to show you. So this is Kitty. And take a look at this. This is Ryoku, a hand-built Arch desktop, which is running on my laptop right now, using just 2 GBs of RAM and with just nearly 1,000 packages. Now what I'm gonna do is launch Yasi from here. Enter. And this is our file manager, just as beautiful as you would expect. I've been using this on my Linux desktop for quite a while, and Ryoku gives this to you out of the box. That's really amazing. So we're gonna just first launch downloads, and here we are. We have quite a lot of stuff. Well, I don't want to do anything, so I'm just gonna quit it. Then leaving that, when we go to Windows W, this is our wallpaper changer, and if you see at the bottom, we can change themes. Right now, it is Capuchin Mocha, and I'm gonna go with Tokyo Night. And there it is. It instantly changed it to Tokyo Night. Let me just first open that again. Little theme. What about Blue Spine? Not bad. Well, to be honest, I really like this thing. Or not. Let's just go with themes again. Let's see some other ones. What about Dracula? Nah, let's go with Tokyo Night. Enter. And there it is. Now let's go to Stripe. And here we are. Like, you can have different kind of wallpaper selectors available. And none of the animation is just gorgeous, isn't it? We have the grid option as well. Then we have the Stripe. But I believe this drift one was the best. Let's take a look at all the wallpapers here. Sorry. Continue. So let's see. We can just scroll here and it will continue scrolling upside down. Like, this is just amazing. Now, as I'm scrolling through the wallpapers, alright, this is nice. This one is also nice. This one's gonna be up dangle. We have quite a large set of wallpapers now. Yep, I already have one of the best ones set out. So yeah, that's enough. Then leaving that, let's check out some other stuff. When you right click on the desktop, you can turn on display widgets like calendar. Here it is. Let's say I want it here. There you go. Then music. I can have something play, but I don't want this, so I'm just gonna hide it. Right click, all in one. All right, we have this thing. Now, it's not that great, so I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm gonna hide these stuff, put it there, and now it looks quite good. Then we have system stats. All right, that's a nice thing to have. So I'm gonna have to resize it. What can I do? I don't think we can resize it. It's just too big. Then we have a visualizer, man. That's good. I'm gonna need something plain, then I'll be able to see it. But yeah, let it be here. We have bars, splits, dots, waves, ribbons, curtains. So I'm gonna go with ribbons. Done. Let's try and play something, shall we? Windows space, all. And now let me just see if we have a browser. Chromium, open, launch it, accept. Let's go to YouTube. I'm gonna play my own video. So, enter my latest video. Let's go. And here we are. This is the visualizer. Now there is one thing which I would like to change. Go to appearance, or maybe the bigger or something from the maybe appearance. I'm gonna need to change the accent color. Yep, that is important. Configure, bars. Alright, here we are. I can't change it. Alright, let's go with something else like this, or this. Okay, let it be. Well, we can also make it like this. Alright, this looks quite good. Now we can customize this visualizer as well. Okay, we do have quite a lot of different stuff as well in desktop widgets. Alright, and just first turn this off. And now here, let me just go to desktop. Let's explore Ryoku Arch setting application or something. We also have a plug switch, which allows us to go deep into advanced mode. So here we are, desktop, name, text marks and all, visualizers. We can actually customize the visualizer here. Then we have connections. Wow, this is beautiful. No doubt. Then input, nice. Cursor, nice. GPU, oh, and just take a look at this. This is something. Graphics rendering on, well, I'm on a virtual machine and yet still it's able to put this much performance. Like, this is literally the best Linux experience you can get out there, out of the box. I'm gonna go to performance. Then we have Windows, how we want it to look like, layouts and all, the appearance, all of it directly from here. I can just apply the Ryoku theme. Oh man, this looks good. Then the bar studio. Here we go. Desktop, then widgets, animations. Whoa, like, whoa. I just can't get over it. Like, man. And we can actually customize it and fine tune how the animations would look like. Wow. Like, it is just the best settings application I've ever seen. Then we have our lock screen, which looks really good. Then app launcher. Yep, right now we have this one. We can change it as well from main to OK shell. I like it like this. Then we can change the key bindings and explore it here. Nice. Then the window rules, application overrides and stuff. We also have internal recording directly from here, and man, whoever made this operating system has created a masterpiece never seen. And I've decided I'm gonna install this on my laptop. I'm bloody gonna do it now. Then we have fast fetch. We can actually create a change fast fetch according to what we like. Like this. Okay, this one looks better. Accent color, red is not that great. We can actually change it from here, or we can have a color picker. Then we can import configurations. Okay, performance. So we have performance features as well. We literally can have a 60 FPS live wallpaper. Let's start. Say, well, we can enable it. So if we apply one, we have the option. Auto start applications, environment. Man, I just have to say it. I just can't get over it. This is the best experience of Linux I've ever had. Like really, no distribution, no desktop has come close to what this is. And this is literally just the public beta. The official stable version is yet to come. Just imagine how that would be now. I'm just obsessed with it. And I believe you're gonna be as well. So when we come to credits, this is the gratitude section where these are all the people whose work was, well, contributions to how it ended up being. And Francis 44 is maybe like, I don't know if that's the creator or not. I don't know, like, yeah, but whoever made this has created a masterpiece. And believe me when I say this, I'm gonna create quite a lot of videos about it now because I'm obsessed with it and I'm gonna install it. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this amazing desktop. And I'm gonna meet you in the next video. Till then, I'm on signing out.